Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Xero for expense tracking automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Xero website by entering the URL in your browser. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Choose the plan that suits your needs or select free trial if available. Fill out the registration form with your email address and a secure password. Select your organization type from the drop-down menu. Enter your business name and other required details in the provided fields. Review the terms and conditions and check the box to agree. Click on the Get Started button at the bottom of the registration form. Check your email for a verification link from Xero. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Xero login page and enter your registered email and password. Complete the initial setup wizard by providing additional business information. Customize your account settings by adding your logo and financial details. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the expense tracking feature. Set up your expense categories according to your business needs. Connect your bank account to automate transaction imports. Upload any existing expense receipts to get started with tracking. Explore the mobile app for on-the-go expense tracking. Regularly review your expenses to ensure accurate budgeting. Utilize Xero's reporting features for insights into your spending habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.